Here, you'll learn how acne and blackheads actually form, the right and safe ways to treat them, and the common mistakes that make things worse.
What if I told you that most people are treating their acne and blackheads the wrong way? And that's exactly why it keeps coming back. In this video, you'll learn what actually works, what you should avoid, and how to finally get clearer, healthier skin step by step. Welcome to a complete guide where clear skin starts with the right knowledge. Today, we're diving deep into acne and blackheads, what causes them, how to remove them safely, and most importantly, how to prevent them from coming back. Whether you're dealing with stubborn blackheads or recurring breakouts, this guide will give you real and practical solutions. Let's start with the basics. Blackheads are a type of acne known as open comedones. They form when your pores get clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and impurities. When this mixture is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns black, which is why they appear dark. Acne, on the other hand, can show up as whiteheads, pimples, or even painful cysts. It is usually caused by excess oil production, bacteria, clogged pores, and sometimes hormonal changes. Understanding this is very important because if you don't treat the cause, the problem will keep coming back. Now let's talk about common mistakes people make. One of the biggest mistakes is overwashing the face. Washing too often strips your skin and makes it produce even more oil. Another mistake is squeezing pimples aggressively. This can damage your skin, cause scars, and spread bacteria. Using too many products at once is also a problem. More products do not mean better results, and it can actually irritate your skin. Also, expecting instant results can lead to frustration. Clear skin takes time, consistency, and patience. Now let's move to safe and effective ways to remove blackheads. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove excess oil and dirt. Then use a chemical exfoliant like salicylic acid, which helps unclog pores from the inside. You can also use steam occasionally to open up pores, making it easier to clean them. If you choose to extract blackheads, do it gently or consider leaving it to professionals to avoid damaging your skin. After that, always apply a soothing toner or serum to calm the skin. When it comes to treating acne, consistency is key. Ingredients like salicylic acid help unclog pores. Benzoyl peroxide helps reduce bacteria. Niacinamide helps calm inflammation. And retinol at night helps improve skin renewal. However, it's important to introduce these products slowly so your skin can adjust. Sunscreen is also very important, even if you have acne, because sun damage can make marks and scars worse. For those who prefer natural options, some ingredients can help support your routine. Aloe vera can soothe inflammation, green tea can help reduce oil production, and honey has antibacterial properties. These natural options can be helpful, but they should not replace an effective skincare routine. Now here is a simple daily routine you can follow. In the morning, use a gentle cleanser, apply a lightweight moisturizer, and always use sunscreen. In the evening, cleanse your face again, apply your treatment like salicylic acid or retinol, and finish with a moisturizer. Keeping your routine simple and consistent is more effective than using too many products. There are also things you should avoid. Stay away from heavy products that clog pores, avoid touching your face too often, and do not skip your skincare routine. It's also important not to compare your skin to others, because everyone's skin is different. If your acne is severe, painful, or not improving over time, it may be a good idea to see a professional. A dermatologist can provide treatments that are stronger and more targeted than over-the-counter products. Clear skin is not about being perfect. It is about understanding your skin and taking care of it the right way. Another important factor that many people ignore is lifestyle. Your skin reflects what is happening inside your body, so small daily habits can make a big difference over time. For example, Staying hydrated helps your skin maintain its balance and function properly. Drinking enough water won't magically cure acne, but dehydration can make your skin look dull and can worsen oil imbalance. Sleep is also essential. When you don't get enough rest, your body produces more stress hormones, which can trigger more breakouts and slow down skin healing. Let's also talk about diet, because it often comes up in discussions about acne. While food is not always the main cause, certain diets may influence breakouts in some people. High sugar intake and highly processed foods can sometimes increase inflammation in the body. Dairy products may also affect some individuals, especially those who are sensitive to hormonal changes. The key here is observation. Instead of cutting everything at once, pay attention to how your skin reacts and adjust accordingly. Now let's focus on pores. A common misconception is that you can shrink your pores permanently. In reality, pore size is mostly determined by genetics. However, you can make them appear smaller by keeping them clean and reducing excess oil. Regular use of salicylic acid, gentle exfoliation, and maintaining a consistent routine can significantly improve the appearance of your skin. When dealing with blackheads, consistency beats intensity. Instead of trying aggressive treatments that promise instant results, it's better to follow a steady routine that gradually clears your pores. Clay masks can also be helpful once or twice a week. They absorb excess oil and help draw out impurities, making blackheads less visible over time. Another important step is choosing the right moisturizer. Many people with acne think they should skip moisturizer, but this is a mistake. When your skin lacks hydration, it may produce even more oil to compensate. The key is to use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that hydrates without clogging your pores. Let's also mention the importance of hygiene. Simple habits like changing your pillowcase regularly, cleaning your phone screen, and avoiding dirty makeup brushes can reduce the amount of bacteria that comes into contact with your skin. These small changes can have a noticeable impact over time. If you wear makeup, choosing the right products matters. Look for labels like oil-free and non-comedogenic. Always remove your makeup before sleeping, no matter how tired you are. Sleeping with makeup can clog your pores and lead to more breakouts. Now, about exfoliation. While exfoliating is important, overdoing it can damage your skin barrier. A damaged skin barrier can lead to more irritation, redness, and even more acne. Stick to exfoliating a few times per week, depending on your skin type, and avoid harsh scrubs that can cause micro tears in the skin. Stress is another hidden factor. High stress levels can increase hormone production, which in turn can lead to more oil production and breakouts. Finding ways to manage stress, whether through exercise, relaxation, or simple daily breaks, can indirectly improve your skin condition. Let's also talk about patience again, because this is where many people give up. Most skincare products take weeks, sometimes even months, to show real results. Switching products too often can confuse your skin and make it harder to see what actually works for you. Give your routine time to work before making changes. Finally, always listen to your skin. If something causes irritation, burning, or excessive dryness, it's a sign that you may need to adjust your routine. Skincare is not about using the most expensive or the most popular products. It's about finding what works best for your skin and sticking to it consistently. Another key element to focus on is your skin barrier. The skin barrier is your first line of defense against bacteria, pollution, and irritation. When it's damaged, your skin becomes more sensitive, more prone to breakouts, and slower to heal. That's why using gentle products and avoiding overexfoliation is so important. Ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and panthenol can help repair and strengthen your skin barrier over time. Let's also talk about consistency in product application. It's not just about what you use, but how you use it. Applying products in the correct order can make a real difference. Start with the lightest products like toners or serums, then move to heavier ones like moisturizers. This helps your skin absorb each product properly without blocking the benefits. Another often overlooked factor is sun exposure. Even if you don't see immediate damage, UV rays can worsen acne marks, slow down healing, and increase inflammation. Daily sunscreen use is not optional if you want to improve your skin. Choose a lightweight sunscreen that doesn't clog pores and apply it every morning, even on cloudy days. Let's not forget about overtreatment. Sometimes people panic when they see acne and start using strong products every day. This can actually backfire. Overusing active ingredients like acids or retinol can irritate your skin and lead to even more breakouts. Balance is the key. Give your skin time to recover between treatments. Now think about long-term habits. Clear skin is not something you achieve once and forget. It's something you maintain. Even after your skin improves, you should continue a simple routine to keep your pores clean and your skin balanced. This prevents future breakouts and keeps your skin looking healthy. Another helpful tip is tracking your progress. Take pictures of your skin every few weeks. Sometimes changes are slow, and you may not notice improvement day by day. Looking back at your progress can help you stay motivated and see what's actually working. Also, be careful with trends. Not everything you see online is suitable for your skin. Some viral skincare hacks can be too harsh or simply ineffective. Always choose methods that are safe, tested, and suitable for your skin type rather than following every trend you come across. And remember, your skin doesn't need perfection to look good. Small improvements over time create real, lasting results. Focus on progress, not perfection, and treat your skin with patience and care. Clear skin doesn't happen overnight, but with the right routine, the right knowledge, and consistency, real results are possible. Stick to what works, avoid common mistakes, and give your skin the time it needs to heal and improve. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more skincare tips that actually make a difference.